The next kit in the Christmas festive collection is the Body Essentials Duo kit, which this is the first time they've done a kit like this, and it is amazing value. So it's security sealed, so I'm not going to open it up, but I'm just going to show you on the back. So you get 2 of our hero products. Now when I say Body Essentials kit, this can be used on your face as well, so it is multi-use. When I say on your face, so if you have been guided with us that you could this would be a good option for your skin, so that would be for rosacea skin, that would be for some breakout prone skins, and for those of you that are on higher levels of vitamin A, this can be used on the face. So but body, you can use it from the word go. So you get the A, C and E oil. Now normally the A, C and E oil is this size. This is the stronger one, which is 100 ml. In here you get double the size, so can you see, you get double the size for the same amount. So it's great value. I mean, that would, you'd be able to get a good while out of that bottle. And then you also get the Dermalat lotion, which is a liquid exfoliator. So this is again for your body. So if you get KP, keratosis pilaris, on your arms, the little bumps, if you get any congestion, if you get any lumps and bumps on your face, if you just like a little bit of exfoliation and you're missing that in your routine, then the Dermalat is amazing. So you can cocktail the 2 products together, or you can use them separately, and you really do notice a huge difference when you use it on your body. If you wear false tan, it's a great way to make sure that your tan doesn't come off, you know, all patchy on your skin. So these are really good value. Again, I think these will sell out quite quick, and this is only while stock's left. You also get, as a SkinGym member, we are going to give you a free full-size body oil forte. Now they have got a slightly shorter shelf life on these, but we're giving you that complimentary, which is the stronger version of the body oil, so you get that as well, additional. So yeah, don't hang about with those because they are just while stocks last.